Talking about liability, and which I want to thank the government and the company efforts and the projects section in Umeme especially that has listened to my requests and my plea. I find the area has now improved. As in terms of liability, I've had issues with the supply, especially on Kawanda 33 from Kampala North substation. But that is now going to be solved with the introduction of a Kawempe industrial feeder, which is coming from Kawanda UETCL here, where we are. This is going to create opportunity for other industries to come on board. We have identified the areas of Kawanda, Chisimu, Katoke. Those projects, some of them are still ongoing, some others are already complete. The hospital, I'm glad to also address the hospital issue. The hospital issue has been getting power from Kawempe at Kawanda Umeme. But that overhead line has had many issues. Overhead as the shutdowns, load shedding. But with the introduction of a specialized feeder for the hospital alone, and there is no other customer that is connected on, has brought stability to the hospital also. Of late, I've been making my checks and visitations to the stakeholders. One of them is the Kawempe Hospital. I've realized they are appreciating the changes. The RMU is already introduced, the metering unit is already there, and the enclosure is already formed. We have even alternative that if anything happened on their underground system, we created an alternative supply that is overhead, the original supply to the hospital. That is also addresses the absence of supply in the hospital, which is very vital, and they like it so much because of some sections which are sensitive, like the incubators, where they are premature kids which need power all the time at all times. Failure to have power for just 30 minutes, it means loss of life. So I thank the government for considering that also, and putting in funds to see that project come to a reality.